Wait, you finished the entire project in a single weekend? That is pretty wild. And now I have about 100 questions for you.
Wait, you finished the entire project in a single weekend? Okay, that is seriously impressive. Now I have about 100 questions for you.
And that was Higgs Audio V3 TTS for you running locally on my system. The idea behind this model is straightforward. Rather than narrating text in one flat voice, it turns whatever you give it into expressive conversational speech across more than 100 languages. You get zero shot voice cloning from a short reference clip, so it can copy a voice it has never heard before, and you get direct control over delivery through inline tags, which means you can set the emotion, change the speed or pitch, drop in a pause, or trigger a laugh or a sigh right in the middle of a line, just as I showed you. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, not only we will be running it locally, I will be showing you all the commands I used, plus we are going to thoroughly test it out. Please also subscribe to the free AI news letter which I will be releasing weekly. You can find the link on the homepage of the channel and in the first pinned comment. So let's get right into this. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Model is already fully loaded and consuming just over 9 GB of VRAM. Now, in order to get it installed, all you need to do is to install Docker on your system and then run all of these commands. I have also just put in a Gradio demo on top of the inference script, which you can readily use. But the key idea here is that you would need to install this sglang through Docker and then serve it locally, this model. And this is all there is to it. Let me take you back to my terminal and then we will test it out a bit more. So for testing, I'm going to go multilingual. First, Spanish. I have given it a romantic sentence plus my own audio as a reference for voice cloning. Let me play that audio. There is a kind of silence that settles into a man when he stops expecting things to get better, not dramatic, not loud, just a quiet giving up disguised as being fine. This was the reference audio, and now let me play the generated one. Sabes, me decía que no era nada, pero cada vez que entrabas al cuarto, olvidaba completamente lo que estaba diciendo. I think this was really good. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, especially if you are a native Spanish speaker. I'm not sure if it's a Latin Spanish or if it is European Spanish, but let me know in the comments. As far as the voice cloning is concerned, I think it did a pretty good job. Let's try out a few more languages. Next, I'm going to go with the Hindi. And you can see that we are specifying different tags in order to control the emotion. So this is where the emotion is sadness, prosody is low speed, and then long pause, and there is also a sigh. So let's see how it goes. It's already done. उसने कॉफ़ी काउंटर पर छोड़ दी जैसे हमेशा करता था और एक पल के लिए मैं भूल गया कि वो अब वापस नहीं आएगा. Okay, I was not expecting this last time, but it was pretty good. I mean, in terms of the start, but again, seems, how should I put it, a bit too much dramatic instead of the actual natural sadness. Or maybe when I get sad, I don't do this anyway. But interesting, very interesting that the way it is controlling these emotions. Let's do a few more. Next is French with some fear emotions. Il y a quelque chose dans le couloir. J'ai éteint les lumières il y a 5 minutes et je suis certain d'avoir verrouillé cette porte. What do you think? I'm not sure, but let me know. I would only say that prosody was quite good, but I'm not really sure that we could detect, quite deep fear there. Let's try out Urdu. इस कमरे में
कोई भी इत्तेफाक से नहीं आया। हर नाकामी, हर रात की मेहनत, हर वो लम्हा जब तुमने हार मानने का सोचा, वही असल काम था। और मेहनत कभी ज़ाया नहीं जाती।
Not bad, not bad. And let's do the beautiful Bahasa Indonesia.
Kita sudah live, modelnya berjalan, dan aku sama sekali tidak tahu seberapa cepat ini akan berjalan. Haha, ayo kita cari tahu sekarang.
So emotions are also there. Let's do Polish.
Serio? Skończyłeś cały projekt w jeden weekend? Haha, no dobra, to jest naprawdę imponujące. Mam do ciebie 100 pytań.
Interesting. Let's do this German.
Niemand in diesem Raum ist zufällig hier. Jeder Rückschlag, jede Nacht, jeder Moment, in dem du aufgeben wolltest, das war die Arbeit. Und Arbeit ist niemals verschwendet.
Not sure, please let me know what do you think, the German speakers. Let's check out Arabic.
ترك القهوة على المنضدة كما كان يفعل دائما. وللحظة نسيت أنه لن يعود.
I think the emotions were pretty good here. And by the way, it took a bit of a time. Anyway, so I'm just going to do the Russian now. And meanwhile, it does Russian. Let me tell you a bit more around very quickly in simple words about the architecture. The architecture is actually simpler than it looks here. Higgs audio V3 treats sound the same way a language model treats words. A part called the Higgs tokenizer takes audio and breaks it into discrete tokens, and those audio tokens get fed into the same autoregressive backbone as your text tokens, all blended into one stream. The model then predicts the next audio token again and again, exactly like a language model predicting the next word, and a matching decoder converts that stream of tokens back into a real 24 kilohertz waveform you can play. So when you hand it a reference voice, that clip simply becomes a bit of a token context upfront, and everything generated after it comes out in the same voice. So that is what this whole architecture is doing here. Let me play Russian.
Мы в эфире. Модель работает, и я понятия не имею, насколько быстро это будет. Давайте выясним прямо сейчас.
Cool. And this is the Yoruba language from Africa.
Kò sí ẹnìkan nínú yàrá yìí tó wà níbi láì dára. Gbogbo ìjákulẹ̀, gbogbo òru tí ó ṣiṣẹ́, gbogbo ìgbà tí ó fẹ́ fi sílẹ̀. Ìyẹn ní iṣẹ́ náà. Iṣẹ́ kò sọnù rí.
Cool. Okay, let's do Japanese.
彼はいつものようにカウンターにコーヒーを置いていった。そして一瞬彼がもう戻らないことを忘れていた。はあ。
Okay, let's now do Brazilian Portuguese.
Eu não acreditei quando vi, mas funcionou. Depois de tudo isso, finalmente funcionou.
Okay, let's do Chinese.
天啊，他真的成功了！我完全没想到会这么快！哈哈，快来看，快来看，这简直太疯狂了！
I suspect she has won a lottery or something. Anyway, let's quickly do, maybe we will go with Persian this time.
چند بار باید بگم این کارو نکن. هر بار یه جور دیگه خرابش میکنی و من خسته شدم از توضیح دادن.
But voice cloning was not there in this one, right? So not even in this one. So it's not taking that one into account. Anyway, let's go with Swedish.
Jag trodde verkligen att det här skulle fungera den här gången. Men det gjorde det inte.
Okay, that was not that good. Maybe they do that side thing in Swedish in that way. Let me know in the comments. Let's do Bengali.
আমি জানতাম এটাই হবে। প্রতিবার একই কথা, প্রতিবার একই ভুল। আর কতবার বিশ্বাস করব? আহ,
Voice cloning was quite good in this one. Finally, let's do the check.
Počkej, to myslíš vážně? Protože jsem si naprosto jistý, že jsme se na tomhle dohodli minulý týden. Jak se to mohlo stát?
So you see, this was Higgs Audio V3 TTS for you. My apologies if I didn't cover your language, but you can imagine I cannot really cover hundreds of languages in one video. But I guess we managed to cover a broad spectrum from across the globe. Let me know what do you think in the comments. And again, please subscribe to that newsletter. And if you want to help out the channel, please become a member. And thank you for all the support.